Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class of GK, dear student, we discussed all the important chapter of your GK book. Okay, and in previous class we discussed about some important government programs and policies of some new government programs and policy, and we discuss all the important and very famous programs and policies of government of India in previous class. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss the some important facts of your state, that is UP. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the some important and very interesting concept and some important facts related to UP. Okay, dear students, today because of your all the your GK book is now completed now, and now first you revise all the chapters of your GK book. Okay, if any confusion, then discuss me in online classes of GK. Today we are going to discuss about the UP. You, dear student, you know that very well. UP is the very famous state of India. Okay, and dear students, the total area. First of all, we discuss about what is the area of UP. Look, first of all, area. You know that very well, Jason. What is the area? Jason, area is the region bounded by, enclosed by that particular state. I mean, how many area covered of the state by the state UP? Jason, the total area of UP is what? 2,40,000. 2,40,928. 928. Okay, students, is kilometer square. This is the, please note that, just student, this is very important facts of UP. It means the total area of UP means Uttar Pradesh is what? 2,40,928 kilometer square. Okay, which is 7.33%. Okay, which is what? 7.33% all over of India. Okay, means the area of UP is 7.33% of the area of whole country, that is India. Okay, students, so this is one of the most important fact related to UP. Okay, students, so first we discuss about the what is the how many area occupied by the UP. Okay, so this is what? 2,40,928 kilometer square. Okay, now, dear students, in the respect of area, the position of Uttar Pradesh in India is what? Fourth. Okay, dear student, UP in fourth position. Fourth position in India in the respect of area. Okay, you know that the which state of India has the larger area occupied? This is Rajasthan. First rank is what? First rank of what? Rajasthan. Okay, dear students. Okay, means the maximum area occupied by which state of India, which is what? Different? Rajasthan. And the India UP is ranked in India is fourth position in respect to area. Means area के पर्पज से अगर से ये देखा जाए तो यूपी की जो पोजीशन है इन आवर इंडिया विच इज फोर्थ पोजीशन. ओके डिफरेंस. नाउ बट इन द रेस्पेक्ट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, जैसे जनसंख्या पॉपुलेशन के रेस्पेक्ट में अगर से हम बात करें तो यूपी की पोजीशन क्या है? फर्स्ट रैंक. दिस इज फर्स्ट रैंक इन पॉपुलेशन. फर्स्ट रैंक इन पॉपुलेशन. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया की बात अगर से हम करते हैं तो एरिया के कंडीशन, एरिया के पर्पज से जो हमारे यूपी की जो रैंक है वो है फोर्थ पोजीशन इन इंडिया, बट in the respect of population this is first rank in India. Okay, so this is very important facts related to UP. Means the total area of the UP is 2,40,928 kilometer square, which is 7.33% of all over of India. And In the respect of area, the UP position in India is 4th position, and you know that in respect of the area, the first rank of is what? Rajasthan. And dear friend, you know that what is the capital of UP? Dear student, you know that Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of UP. Okay, dear friend. Now look. Now we discuss the neighboring country of UP. Dear friend, if I ask you which country is the neighboring country of UP, then your answer is what? Nepal. Yes, neighboring country of UP is what? Nepal. Dear friend, Nepal is the neighboring country of UP. Okay, and you know that there are so many famous rivers which is flows in UP, like as Ganga, Yamuna, Ram Ganga, Gomti, Ken, Betwa, and Ghagra. These are the some famous river which is flow in our UP. Okay, dear friends, and look, now one important fact is that ki maximum rain, सबसे ज्यादा वर्षा जो रेन होती है वो यूपी के किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में होती है? दिस इज वेरी मैक्सिमम रेन, डियर फ्रेंड, मैक्सिमम रेन इन यूपी। डियर फ्रेंड, जो सबसे ज्यादा जो वर्षा होती है यूपी में वो हमारा है वो गोरखपुर। विच स्टेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट? गोरखपुर। डियर फ्रेंड, गोरखपुर यूपी का एक ऐसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जिसमें जहां सबसे ज्यादा रेन होती है, वर्षा होती है। ओके, एंड सबसे मिनिमम रेन, सबसे कम वर्षा कहां होती है बेटा? मिनिमम रेन इन यूपी इन मथुरा। मथुरा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है हमारे यूपी की, वहां से जो मथुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में सबसे कम वर्षा होती है। ओके, सो दीज आर also very important questions related to UP, means maximum rain in UP in Gorakhpur and the minimum rain in UP in Mathura. So these are some very important facts related to UP. Okay, now look, now dear friends, now we discuss about the, yes, one important question of UP is that which district of यूपी, ओके, यूपी की कौन सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो है सबसे ज्यादा स्टेट को जो टच करती है? मैक्सिमम स्टेट टचेस विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ इंडिया, विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ यूपी? दिस इज सोनभद्र। दिस वन सोनभद्र इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सोनभद्र, डियर फ्रेंड्स, सोनभद्र यूपी की एक ऐसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है जो सर्वाधिक सबसे ज्यादा स्टेट को टच करती है। ठीक है, तो वो आपका अगर से आपसे क्वेश्चन है आपके पुट अप किया जाए कि विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ यूपी टचेज द मैक्सिमम स्टेट, सो योर आंसर इज व्हाट? सोनभद्र। सोनभद्र डियर फ्रेंड 4 स्टेट्स को ये टच करती है। 4 स्टेट्स की बॉर्डर को ये हमारा यूपी का जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है सोनभद्र वो टच करता है, मैक्सिमम स्टेट टचेस, ठीक है, बाय सोनभद्र। नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सेंसस 2011 एंड नाउ वी डिस्कस द सेंसस ऑफ यूपी, नॉट इंडिया। ठीक है, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सेंसस 2011। Now we discuss about census 2011. You know that very well, student, हर 10 वर्ष के बाद सेंसस होती है, जो जिसको हम हिंदी में जनगणना कहते हैं। इसके जो 2011 के पहले जो हमारी सेंसस हुई थी इंडिया में वो 2001 में हुई थी। देन आफ्टर सेंसस जो हुई वो 2011 में हुई, और नाउ जो भी सेंसस सब होगी वो हर 10 वर्ष आफ्टर 10 ईयर्स के बाद ये प्रोसेस होता है। ठीक है, नाउ अब जो सेंसस होना है बेटा वो 2011-21 में होगा। ठीक है, नाउ लुक, नाउ तो अभी जो हमारे पास डेटा जो है वो हमारे सेंसस 2011 की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि उसके बाद से अभी कोई सेंसस हुई नहीं, क्योंकि 10 ईयर्स आफ्टर होती है, हर 10 वर्ष बाद भारत में सेंसस होती है। जो तो अब जो नेक्स्ट सेंसस हमारी होनी है हमारे भारत की, हमारे इंडिया की एंड अदर स्टेट्स की भी अंडर इंडिविजुअल डेटा भी उसे उसमें प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। तो अभी जो होगी वो 2021 में होगी। तो अभी हम बात करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी आपसे जो भी क्वेश्चंस पुटअप हो सकते हैं रिलेटेड टू यूपी वो सेंसस 2011 के रिस्पेक्ट में ही होंगे। तो हम बात करेंगे सेंसस 2011 की इन रिस्पेक्ट। ओके, नाउ सबसे पहले हम इंडिया की ही सेंसस की बात कर लेंगे। लुक डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस टोटल female means sex ratio of India according to census 2011. Just one sex ratio. Dear student, what is the concept of sex ratio? Sex ratio is the ratio which described as the number of women per thousand males. Okay, student, number of women per thousand males. This is the what? Number of women per thousand male. Okay, dear student, per thousand males. So the number of women per thousand males is known as the sex ratio. Okay, now according to census 2011, the sex ratio in India is what? 912 is to 1000. It means that the total number of women is 912 per thousand males. Okay, this is the different sex ratio of India according to census 2011. Okay, dear students, now we discuss about the population density. Population density जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं जनसंख्या घनत्व. Population density. Okay, dear students, now look, what is the this is very important facts related to India. Just what is the population density of India according to census 2011. So the population density of India is 829 per kilometer square. Okay, dear students, now just first we discuss what is the concept of population density. You know that? No, please listen carefully. Dear students, the number of persons, the number of peoples who lived the number of person lived in per kilometer area. Okay, the number of person. So please note down, dear students, the number of person lived in per kilometer area. ठीक है, is called per kilometer square area. Okay, per kilometer square area is called population density. Okay, so in this way the population density of India according to census 2011 is what? 829 persons lived in per kilometer area. Okay, this is very important concept of population density. Now clear? Now look, now we discuss about, now look, now we discuss about literacy rate of India. Total, look, now we discuss about the literacy rate of India. Look, literacy rate of India means साक्षरता दर. Look, now we discuss about the literacy rate of India according to census 2000 and now census 2011. This one, the literacy rate of India according to census 2011 is 67.7%. This is very important question, dear students. 67.7%. Please note down, dear students. This is very important fact. According to census 2011, the total the literacy rate of India is what? 67.7%. Okay, this is 60, and in that literacy rate of India, male literacy rate, if I ask male literacy rate, the literacy rate of male, okay, is what? 77.3%, and female, the literacy rate of female is, dear student, 57.2. 57.2%. So this is very important facts related to literacy rate in India according to census 2011. So dear student, in this way we can say that the literacy rate of India according to census 2011 is what? 67.7%, and in that literacy rate, the in male, if we describe respect to male and female, then the male literacy rate in India according to census 2011 is what? 77.3%, and for female the literacy rate in India according to census 2011 is 57.2%. so this is very important data, okay, related to census 2011. Now we discuss about how many district in UP. Dear student, how many district in UP? Dear student, there are 75 districts. So please note down total district in UP. This one, total district in UP is what? 75. This is also very important questions. Okay, dear student, now look. Now, dear students, so this is very important question. So now we discuss, now in this way we discuss about the how many district in UP. We discuss how many what is the area occupied by the UP, and what is the rank of UP according to in respect to area, and what is the rank of the UP in respect to population. And here we discuss about total district in UP is 75. Now if we ask you, dear students, how many state university in India in UP? So please note that total state university of in UP, total state university in UP is 27. Dear student, total means राज्य विश्वविद्यालय जिसको हम कहते हैं, total state university in UP is 27. Okay, so in this way we can say that in UP there are total 27 state university in UP. And how many central university in UP? So please note down there are 6 central university in UP. Total central university in UP is what? 6. Main central university means what? Kendriya Vishwavidyalay. Okay, dear friends. And state university means what? Rajya Vishwavidyalay. So total state university in UP is 27, and total central university in UP is what? How many central university in UP? There are 6 central university in UP. Okay, dear friends. Now we discuss the how many, which if I ask you question, this one, write the all 6 central university in UP, all 6 is central university which is situated in UP. Then your answer is what? First one is Aligarh Muslim University in Aligarh. Second one, BHU Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi. Third is what? Baba Saheb Ambedkar University in Lucknow, and Allahabad University in Allahabad, Prayagraj, and Rajiv Gandhi National Vimanan University in Raebareli, and sixth one is what, Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agricultural University in Jhansi. Okay, Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agricultural University in Jhansi. So dear students, these are 6 very famous central university in UP. Okay, now dear student, we discuss about the some political some constitutional facts related to UP. Let's see. Look, some constitutional facts related to UP. Dear students, how many Lok Sabha members from UP? Total, please note down. Total Lok Sabha member from UP is what? 80. This is very important question. Okay, please note down. Total Lok Sabha member from UP is 80. Okay, and total Rajya Sabha member from UP is what? 31. Please note down. These are very important facts related to UP. Okay, dear friends. Thus, in this way, we can say that total Lok Sabha members from UP is 80, and total Rajya Sabha members from UP is what? 31. Okay, now, and total Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly is in UP is Vidhan Sabha मेंबर जो हैं हमारे यूपी से वो 403 हैं, एंड विधान परिषद टोटल नंबर ऑफ टोटल सदस्य जो है मेंबर्स हैं वो 100 हैं. तो दीज आर सम इम्पोर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ यूपी रिलेटेड टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल. एंड now we discuss about the some other important facts related to UP. Okay, dear students, now okay, there's some important some famous park and city mean nickname of district in UP is, let's see. So now we discuss about some famous park and city. Famous park and city of UP. Okay, Jason, now look, if I ask you defense park, okay, first one is what? This one, defense park situated in which district of UP? So your answer is Jhansi, Kanpur and Lucknow. Please note down, Jhansi, Kanpur and Lucknow. In that three district, the defense park is situated. Okay, so defense park situated in Jhansi, Lucknow and Kanpur. Okay, dear students. Now, if knowledge park, look, knowledge park. This is also very famous park of UP. This one, knowledge park, situated in Greater Noida. Greater Noida. Okay, then if I ask you ki knowledge park situated in which district of UP, then your answer is what? Greater Noida. Okay, now which district is also known as the Tronika city? In which name? Tronika. then your answer is Ghaziabad. Then your Tronika city, which city of India, which city of UP is known as the Tronika city? Then your answer is Ghaziabad. Please note down. Okay, dear students. Thus, if I ask you which city is known as the Tronika city of UP, then your answer is what? Ghaziabad. Okay, dear students. Now, if I ask you Leather Park, dear students, Leather Park. Leather Park. Dear students, Leather Park situated in which state, which district of UP? Then your answer is Agra. Okay, Leather Park is in Agra. This is also very famous and very important question. Okay, related to UP. And if I ask you which city is also known as the Cyber City? Cyber City. Dear students, if I ask you which city of UP is known as the Cyber City, then your answer is Kanpur, dear students. So please note down. This is the science city of UP is what? Cyber City. Sorry, Cyber City of UP is what? Kanpur. Okay, dear students. Now, if I ask you the Science Park situated in Sandila, Hardoi, Science Park. Please note that Science Park, dear students, situated in which state, which district of UP? Then your answer is Sandila, situated in Hardoi. Okay, dear students, these are some famous park in city. Now, if we ask, now we discuss some other famous city and park of UP. Let's see. Now look. Now Agro Park, dear students. Now if we ask you Agro Park, dear friends, Agro Park situated in which district of UP? Dear friends, there are two important city where the Agro Park is situated. First is Varanasi, and second one is what? Barabanki. Okay, dear friends. Thus, in this way, we can say there are two famous city of UP where Agro Park is situated. Which one? Varanasi and Barabanki. Okay, dear friends. Now, if we ask you Perfume Park, dear friends, Perfume Park. Dear friends, one important question is perfume. First of all, you discuss Kannauj. Dear friends, Kannauj is famous for perfume, जिसको हम इत्र भी कहते हैं. Okay. So Perfume Park situated in what? In Kannauj. Kannauj is a very famous district of UP. So Perfume Park situated in Kannauj. Okay. Now, Wave City. Which city of UP is known as Wave City? Then your answer is Ghaziabad. Okay. Ghaziabad. Okay. Now, last one is what? Toy City. Toy City in Greater Noida. Thus, dear students, in this way today we discuss some important facts related to UP. Okay, and also we discuss some important concept or important facts related to census 2011, and here we discuss some important city and park which is situated in our state UP. Okay, so dear students, first you revise all the important facts related to UP which we discussed in that class. Okay, now dear students, in next class of GK we discuss some more other important facts related to UP, and also we discuss some important current affairs question related to UP. Okay, students. Now we discuss in next class. Thank you all.